Thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. I'm so excited to tell you guys something fun. Several months ago, I created my Art Soothes the Heart mug, and those of you who have purchased it have let me know that you truly love the mug and that they're really nice quality. The artwork turned out really pretty on them, and so I'm so thankful to everybody who's purchased an Art Soothes the Heart mug. And now I'm premiering a new mug. This was suggested by a follower who said, oh, you need to do a paper doll mug. So I did. I created a new mug, and it's available in the shop. The link is in the description box below. I don't have the mug in my hands to show it to you physically. I'll have to do that next week and show you next week when it comes, but I was too excited not to tell you about it and have you go in the shop. You can see a preview pictures there, but I can show you here what it's going to look like. So it's on the front, middle section, and sides. It's going to have images of paper dolls that I've created over the past few years, past 6 or 7 years that I've been putting paper dolls into my art journals. I used those images to create this mug. So you're going to be able to enjoy some of my fun paper doll images, and the saying on the mug is, paper dolls speak to my heart. So there's going to be 6 paper dolls going all the way around, 3 hearts with 2 each, and here are the dolls that are featured. Check out those cute images. So there's that one, there's this one, and this one on her her teacup tag says Art Soothes the Heart, so it even has Art Soothes the Heart. As all of you know, that's my saying that I use in every video, is Art Soothes the Heart. So it's got some really cute paper dolls and Art Soothes the Heart. Look at these cute paper doll images. And then the saying, paper dolls speak to my heart. So go check out the link, go check out the new mug. Next week I'll do another video, and when my physical mug gets here, I'll show you what it looks like physically, but you can go see it in the shop, and it's available to purchase today if you're interested. So go check it out. Art Soothes the Heart, paper dolls speak to our hearts, and this was so fun to create, and I hope you all love it. So thanks for stopping by.